Hi, this is Damien with Top 5 E-Bikes. We're very excited to show you two juice bikes. We've got the Scrambler and the Cross Current. We're going to do full unboxing videos of each bike, and then we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your bikes. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for full reviews of the Scrambler and the Cross Current. Okay, so we've taken out all the packing of the box, and now we have our voila moment where we get to actually take the bike out. Now, this bike weighs almost 60 pounds, battery included. I'm going to try to do this by myself, but probably smarter to have a friend helping you. It's probably might be a two-person job, but it's possible to do it one person. It's pretty heavy for sure, but as you can see here, we got a beautiful bike waiting for us to assemble. I'm going to go over a simple step here, maybe obvious to a lot of you, but to some not. So the handlebars, they come bent over to this left position, just so it fits in the box. We have it sitting on the floor, but once you want to actually put the tire on, you're going to want to bend the handlebars here, right? And then it gives you a little bit more access and clearance to get into everything. We've got the battery here. It's got this cool little futuristic on button right there. And then once the battery is activated, you can turn on the LED screen here. And you'll see we got a full charge there, right? So this thing is ready for action. All right, we got a fully assembled bike here. This thing is ready to meet the road. Make sure, so we didn't film this, but what you're gonna wanna make sure is all your bolts are tight everywhere. You wanna make sure the handlebars are the right adjustment for the way you like to ride. Make sure brakes are in place. I mean, they do a pretty good job of assembling everything. We didn't find any loose bolts or anything crazy like that. Seems like it's in good shape, but better to be safe than sorry. So yeah, just check everything out. Pedals seem good, chain is on there good and tight. I think we're ready to take this for a ride.
If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment. Visit us at top5ebikes.com or some of our social media accounts. Thank you.